Like the structure is there. The fact that you did this in CapCut is like pretty impressive.
I ain't even got the patience to do it in CapCut.
I can't even do it real in CapCut.
I think that's just the beauty of it.
The question is, can you edit a professional wedding film with CapCut? Yes, you can. I know that because I'm doing it right now. I'm not saying use CapCut over DaVinci or Premiere or anything like that. I'm saying it can be done. If that's what you have and that's the resources that you're able to use right now, use it. If you can't do DaVinci, if you don't, like me for instance, I don't have a computer that can run DaVinci. I don't have that at my fingertips. So what do I have? I have CapCut. So I'm using this time right now to perfect my storytelling and learning and understanding the process of the way the film needs to go. As you get better equipment, you get a better computer, you can afford DaVinci, whatever the case may be, you're going to already have this foundation of understanding the process and understanding the way the film needs to flow. Your storytelling is already going to be on point, you're going to know how to edit, and that's the biggest thing. When you get DaVinci, you'll be able to learn color grading, you'll be able to learn all this other stuff, but the foundation of storytelling and editing will be there. So if y'all want a more in-depth video about exactly how I'm editing in CapCut, let me know. I'll be glad to show you. But in the meantime, just get out there, film, and start with what you have.